Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would locate your radiator reservoir and if you needed to add radiator fluid. So this is your reservoir. It's on the left hand or the right hand side of the vehicle / your passenger side, right up next to the fender and closer to the front. So this is your reservoir. We've got a max and there would be a low, but we want to make sure we have it at least around there. This is the reservoir / fill point. So if you need to add coolant, this coolant is at the right level. But if you need to add coolant, you go ahead and remove this cap. Do not remove this cap if it's hot, because it will produce the steam that comes out and you can get burned from the hot water if it spits out. But you just screw the cap off. There you go. And put the recommended type of coolant in there to bring it up to the fill level that is needed for your car to run optimally. And then go ahead and put the cap back on, tighten it good and snug to keep that at its pressurized system. It's got a low pressure that keeps everything good to go. But that's where you would add your coolant or engine coolant antifreeze for your 2013 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.